Hello everyone! Today we are preparing for Easter and today we're going to color our eggs, but in a very old traditional way, which is called Писанка. So actually they say it's Ukrainian tradition, but I could say that it is Slavonic tradition. So look, here is Писанка. She looks like this. It looks lovely, yeah? So how are we going to color it? We need a special colors. So these are special colors for this kind of art, for Писанка. There are 10 colors, so you can choose, but the most popular are yellow and red. They are the most popular. So, and white color we have on our eggs. So we need also a special instrument. Look, it is called писачок or кистка. So there are two names for this instrument, for this tool. And so you can buy it, you can order it somewhere in internet shops. Well, we need an egg. We need to put it into the water and wait for some time, because we don't need any marks on it. So we just put it into the water, cold water, it's okay. And then just dry it carefully with a napkin. So it should be absolutely clean. No cracks, no some spots. So it should be really clean and no, such stuff on the surfaces. So it should be quite, I would say, without any heels, Okay, and we're going to color with wax. It's a wax candle, so it's just in this shape for me to work in comfortable, and just a simple candle to heat my писачок on it, okay? Also, we need a vinegar. This is a vinegar. We don't put vinegar into the yellow color, but we put 1 tablespoon of vinegar to other colors for example, for the red color. So I already put it vinegar here, and we put our egg into so not cold but not very hot water, so just the temperature of our room. And we also need a pencil to draw our lines on the egg. And your hands, they should be absolutely clean. So please don't use any cream, because then the color will not stick very good. So you should wash it with soap. And you need napkin. And at the end you need will be oil to make it more beautiful to look at. So let's start. So we take our egg, it's absolutely clean, and now I take a pencil and I start drawing lines on it. So the name of our писанка, every писанка has its own meaning. So this писанка is for Easter, it's red color. And there are fields, look, yeah? It's like fields and seeds, yeah? So this писанка is the wish for the wealth, for those who are going to give it. So you shouldn't eat it. So you put it for the place in your house, and you can keep it for the whole year round, and nothing will happen with this. So it's a real gift. So it's like your wish, which you concentrate in your egg. And so we start drawing, and how we're going to draw. So the first lines we should draw. So we separate the egg into 4 parts, yeah? So like this. Then the next stage, we're going to separate it to 8 parts. Look like this, yeah? So divide every part in 2, And then make a line in the center. So divide the eggs in 2 parts. Yeah, it's just in the center. So the whole around, like this. Then we're going to draw triangles. So 4 triangles on this part. Yeah. So you just find the center here. And then just draw it to the center. Triangle to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the same stuff you're doing in this part of the egg. So you draw it just at the bottom too. And then, so it looks like this. Yeah. So look, green triangles. Can you see? Yeah. 1, 2. And then you just can you see the red lines? So the red lines, you just like connect the tops of your triangles. And actually, if you look at it, it looks like an eye. Just here like a big eye. Yeah. So it looks like this, and our Писанка is ready. So the name of this Писанка is Сорококлинка, because there are 40 triangles, or even maybe more. So I didn't count, but it's called like this. There are different types of Сорококлинка, so there can be different decorations here. So this is the simplest one. You can look on the internet and find. So it can be also blue color, green color, but red color is for Easter. So when my Писанка is ready, then what should I do? I should burn my candle. So when I draw all these lines here with a pencil, yes, not with a felt tip, you take your piece of chalk and you heat it. It should be really very hot. And then I melt my whisk like this, because look, there is just like, oh, it's dropping already. There is just some whisk, and I just put whisk inside like this. Come on. Yeah, it's like this. So, and this is an instrument because it's very comfortable to draw because of this angle. And you keep your finger close to the egg, like this. So to make it stable. So with little finger, you put it to the egg and you start drawing. You can draw from to this direction like this, or you can draw direction to this way. No matter. So first stage is that you put all the lines here. Yeah, so you just draw over all these lines with a whisk, okay? And then you put your egg into the vinegar. So here I have vinegar. It's just not a lot, just to cover the egg. You put it into the vinegar, you dry it, and to make the color stick better, you use your spoon and you put on your spoon first to the yellow color, yeah? Then everything becomes yellow. And after that, when your egg becomes yellow, you keep it maybe for 2 minutes there. Just 2 minutes is enough. You take it out and you clean again. So then your egg is going to be yellow. And then over the yellow color, we draw dots. How do we draw dots? We draw dots, just look in every triangle, just all over the triangle. We just put dots with this instrument, with this tool, just like this. When all the dots are ready, you check all the dots are ready, you put your egg into the red color, so no more vinegar. You put it into the red color for 2 minutes. Then you take it out you clean it, dry it, and the next stage, you're going to melt your whisk. So you just put it to the, not on it, yeah, but to the side, just to the side. Your whisk become melting, and you just dry out with your napkin, just like this. So it won't take you more than maybe 7 minutes just to take out your whisk. But be careful, the candle or the fire shouldn't burn your egg, it become black. So when you dry out all your whisk, your pisanka is practically ready. The last stage is to put it into a little bowl, and look, I've got some grains here. Pisanka is kept on the grains. You put on the grains, and with an oil, simple oil, you just cover with an oil your egg. Then it's ready and it really looks nice. So the egg is the symbol of universe, and when you are going to do it, you will really enjoy this process, I'm sure of it. The better time to do it is early morning. They say you should take a shower, and when everybody is sleeping, you make your pisanka totally silent and just keeping the best wishes you're putting inside to it. You keep it warm, and you say, I wish the best things for my family members or to my friend, and then you start drawing your wishes. So these signs, they're just ancient language, the language of wishes, the language of symbols. So these fields, as you understand, so the fields of grains, the fields of good things you put into your life. So good luck, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. I think you will really, really enjoy it. Bye bye.